saying yes to God never goes according to plan. Kung ano man yung inoohan niyo sa Diyos at kung ano man yung inaasahan niyo dyan, hindi yan yung mangyayari. Because our God is a God of disruptions and interruptions. And following God is looking at interruptions as God's invitations. Ang challenge palagi sa ating mga Kristiyano, hindi lang yung malaman yung tama at gawin kung ano yung eksaktong nakasulat, pero yung magmahal ayon sa kung nasaan ka, kung sino yung nasa harapan mo, kung ano yung tawag ng pagkakataon, and be Jesus in that moment. That, at its heart, is what being a Christian is. Kita niyo yung exchange nung scholar at ni Jesus. Tinanong niya si Jesus, ano yung greatest commandment? Sumagot siya, tama. You answered correctly. But my dear brothers and sisters, we don't get to heaven by answering correctly. We get to heaven by doing as God does.